Do you guys miss the golden era of Bollywood or want to witness it again? If yes, well, you need to go and watch the series Ranjishi Sahi and explore the golden era of that time. But did I really like the story of the movie? Did it stand up to my expectation? Is it worth watching or not? Well, to get answers to all these questions, you need to watch this video till the end. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Ranjishi Sahi is written and directed by Pushpadeep Bharadwaj. The star cast include Tahir Raj Bhasin, Amala Paul, Amrita Puri, Zarina Wahab, Paras Priyadarshan, and many more. It's a Wood Select original series which got released on 13th of January. It has total 8 episodes and each episode is around 30 to 40 minutes. Now, before moving forward, let me give a brief synopsis of the series. Ranjishi Sahi starts off as the story of a struggling filmmaker, Shankar Wax, who has delivered three flops in a row. The brunt of this failure is borne by his family, consisting of wife Anju, a young daughter, and mother. Shankar's path then crosses that of a star actress, that is Amana Parvez, when he is badly in need of a hit. She agrees to listen to his narration and they strike up a rapport. Their friendship gradually turns to something more in a moment of weakness. Shankar forgets Anju and his life changes completely after that. He is now torn between two women while also dealing with his shaky movie career. To know what happens next, you need to watch the series. Now, talking about the direction and screenplay of the series, the plot of the series does not seem very realistic to me, and this is the biggest drawback of the series. I don't know how much truth has been told in the series, but the story seems unrealistic most of the time. The screenplay was good initially, but the pace was very slow, and that makes the series look dull. In spite of some great performance, the series still falls behind the super hit line. Uh, the direction was decent and not really great. Though the story does not take the viewers by surprise, the narrative does. For example, somewhere in the middle of the show, we are shown the ending moments of the story, yet, this does not act as a spoiler. If anything, it waits your curiosity to know how the show reaches that point. The location were really good and the VFX of the series was amazing. Another major reason for the show's appeal is that the successfully recreation of the era of the 1970s, right from the look and appearance of the characters to the city of Mumbai, which was Bombay back then. Except for the local buses and all, the production design gets everything right. Now, talking about the performance of the actors, well, according to me, Amala Paul is leading the show single handedly and is all over the series. This one is her finest performance, according to me, till date, and she looks terrific in the role. Her dialogue, delivery, expression, and charm outshines everyone else in the series, and she's the biggest, attraction point in the series. Tahiraj Bhasin is a great actor, as we all know, and he delivers another good performance here too. He looks good during the emotional sequence, and his chemistry with Amala was pleasure to watch. Amrita Puri was also amazing in the role, and she looks good. She was decent in the beginning, but slowly she gets the momentum, and she holds that till the end. Other actors like Mohit Mehta and Zarina Wahab were good too. The music in the series was like average and not really great according to me. Now, coming to my final verdict, I'll rate this series a 2.5 out of 5 because, according to me, apart from the great performances, the series turns out to be just another love drama that is very inconsistent, but still it delivers due to the powerful performance of the actors. Also, the series can be watched once for some amazing performances, but if you're looking for something great or something extraordinary, then the series is not for you. So that was all about my review and about the series. And if you guys like this review, then don't forget to like and share it. And you guys tell me in the comment section what are your views on the series and how what are your opinions on it.